Welcome back to my channel. Today was self-care day and I ended my day doing a wonderful pedicure. These are some of the ingredients that I put together and products that I used in the tools, and I'll go ahead and break that down and let you know why each ingredient was important to me. The sliced lemons clears layers of dead skin cells, also promotes skin regeneration. Himalayan pink salt softens the feet of calloused heels. The Epsom salt contains magnesium and helps the body get rid of toxins, also soothes dry skin. The cayenne pepper, along with the Himalayan salt, it draws blood to your feet and relieves the pressure in your head. The baking soda removes dead skin. The lavender tea leaves improve sleep and removes toxins. The dried rose petals are anti-inflammatory and helps reduce swelling. Apple cider vinegar with the mother detoxes, removes calluses, and is a deodorizer. Now this is my setup outside, and as you can see, I have an assortment of items on the table, things that makes it easy for me to prevent from needing to get out of the tub. And so this is my tub of water. It's filled with mostly hot water, and I have my water hose nearby. I've tried to make it lukewarm, but I'll make an adjustment a little bit later. And as you can see, now my plate is about to go in of all my goodies. And I mean, it's so pretty. I just love looking at it. And so I just go ahead and dump it up in there, get it all out of there. And I love to see the petals floating in the limes or the lemons in this case. And this is the apple cider vinegar. So now you can use a whole lot more apple cider vinegar if you really want to do a deep detox with it. But that wasn't really my point. I just wanted something very relaxing and a little bit of goodness to spread around. On other days, maybe I would use a lot more, but I didn't have that much apple cider vinegar. Now I went ahead and added some more boiling water because I thought I needed it when I put my hands in the water. But you'll see I'll grab the hose to cool it down a bit. And so now it's time to dip. Well, actually I'm testing the water and feeling, just getting it stirred up, stirring up all the things that settle to the bottom, the salts and the cayenne pepper, and getting it kind of mixed around. Okay, now it's time to dip my feet in, and woo, as you see, I pull them right back out because I said, hold on, this is a little bit warm. And so now I'm going to grab the water hose and add more cold water to cool it down a bit. And you have to be careful with that, because if you cool it down too much, then you have to go run and get some more hot water. But don't pay my knees any attention. I was a tomboy growing up, and I did actually have a knee surgery. So some of those scars are near as old as me. So, but it's about the foot bath, y'all. So I'm adding the cool water to cool it down a bit, and it feels really, really good. And I'm glad I chose this big tub because I can get more of my legs in and not just my feet, because it felt really soothing as well. I am enjoying this bath. And as you can see, I'm just really getting used to the temperature of the water and loving the way the petals and the lemons kind of move around, glide around. So it's really nice. And to look up outside, I'm breathing fresh air. It's so awesome. I mean, you guys really have to try this if you have the opportunity and space to do it. After soaking for about 20 minutes, now I'm using the Callus Eliminator, and I'm going to grab one of my tools to get to scrubbing on these here feet. After using the metal grater, I go in with this here tool. I like this as well. Next, I go in with the lemon wedge and just go all over my feet, my toes, my toenails, all up and down the legs, and really just work it in. Now I take my sugar scrub, which is brown sugar, olive oil, avocado oil, lavender essential oil, and tea tree essential oil. And I just rub this in and work it up and down my legs, just really just till it dissolves. It feels wonderful. Now what I didn't show here is I actually shaved my legs with hair conditioner. I didn't show that, but after I'm done rubbing in the sugar scrub, that's what I did. Next is time to go ahead and moisturize. But first I rinsed. I forgot to mention, you see the hose right there? I rinsed off. And then now I'm soothing in all of my moisturizer, and you see the combination that I use. And just really working that in and enjoying this moment. I am feeling wonderful. I'm admiring my work and I just feel so relaxed. So if you like this content and that I'm offering, please do subscribe, share, and leave comments, like all that good stuff. I'll see you guys at my next video.